What is up guys, Express Design here, or Express, and in this video I wanted to show you guys my top 5 new features in the Photoshop 2021. This is a different video, different style than my usual. And also a thing, join my Discord. I want to make a video about reviewing you guys' portfolios and help you guys with that. And just reviewing you guys' work. Maybe you made something with my tutorials and you want to show me how to improve or something. Join my Discord, send me a link on Twitter or Discord, doesn't matter, and I'll make a video about that. Anyways, here is the top 5 new features in Photoshop 2021, and let's start with the sky replacement. The sky replacement, in my opinion, is one of the different things that they have done. This helps me a lot, helps you guys a lot as well with a photo manipulation. So if you have like a sky and want to replace that, normally you have to cut out every single image or like remove the background, but nowadays you don't even have to do it. You go just to edit and then you have your little option, sky replacement, and it takes a while. If you have a fast PC then it doesn't take a while, but my PC is kind of slow these days, but boom, it already replaced the sky. You can choose what sky you want. You have a blue sky, you have a spectral sky, and let me choose this one for a second. Boom, you can't even tell that's a different sky from before. It's amazing. You can also just flip the sky from the other side, like, and you can see that the light is coming the right way and everything. Also, you can position it on the way you want as well. If you think that this doesn't look right, you can change the position of the sky. It doesn't matter, but it can. Also, you can add your own sky. Let me just do that real quick. Go to downloads and add my own sky. Pixels, that's where I got the pictures from. Also, sky 1, I don't know what I should call that. Sky 1, boom, that's a picture I've chosen, and it's my sky now. It's not really my kind of style, but it's now a sky. Boom, you can have this sky as well. You can change the brightness as well of the sky itself. A lot of pictures, like boom, like you want to have a dark, more tone, you want to have a night kind of feeling, make it more bluish. This is one of the best things in my opinion that they have added. This makes my job in photo manipulation so much easier, and yeah, you can add this. Up to the next one, we have skin smoothing. I just have the normal picture of pixels again, just a girl, just random girl. We go to skin smoothing options. We go to filter and neutral filters. This is a new option in Photoshop, and this is one of the best things as well if you want to edit someone's face. Just turn on the skin smoothing option. It will see you have to load a bit, but when you see it has a little bit of that dots, and if you want like I want that gone, you would probably take the clone tool and clone the shit out of that. But nowadays you can just blur the fuck out of it and pour the smoothness on a 50, and I'll show you what the outcome will be. Show you the beforehand and after, before, after. It smooths it out completely. It's just like they have taken a brush, put the opacity a bit down, and just went over her whole face. But it did it automatically. You don't have to do anything. Okay. Now this is the third. We have smart portrait. We go back to filter, neutral filters, and you have the second option in the neutral filter, style transfer. You download that real quick. Boom, and you choose one of the styles, and it has a little nice pop art that you can do. Let me just select one and I'll show you the result. It takes a while on my PC. There you go, you have your little and then just this is not really what I was looking for, but that's a style transfer. I'm not sure if that's a good thing, but you have the option now to make something like this. Yeah, it's not my kind of style, but that's an option. That's a third feature. Anyway, you have smart portrait as well. This is all only in beta. You can see beta as well, and you just click that on and you can make her smile even if she's not smiling in the photo. Just put the happiness on like a 36, let it load a while, and you have someone who's smiling. Okay, I had to change the image. It wasn't working for some reason. Anyways, you can see she's smiling now in this picture, and they added even some teeth. Let me show you what this was before. Boom, that was before. They added the smile effect. Boom, she's again. They added teeth that I'm not really sure that was a good idea to add. But anyways, they added it, and you can make people smile. Let's make it a bit angry. There you go, she's even more angry. I don't know what the different, how white does that look angry? Oh, her lip and her eyebrows. Yeah, there you go. Facial portrait, smart filters, neutral filters is a big thing when you want to edit someone and you think, oh, that's maybe funny. Make black and white photos colorized. So let me just add my picture of black and white. Let me just crop that real quick. There you go. Delete that image. Go back to neutral filters, neutral colorize. You want to download that as well. Just let it download, let it be, let it do, and boom, it has a bit of color now. It doesn't take this, I don't know why, but sometimes you have to do a little bit edit of yourself. Okay, that's a weird picture, but that was the first one I came across on the site. Go back to filter, neutral filters, colorize, and let it do its thing. Boom, it's colored in. I didn't have to do anything. The hand is a bit weird, but it does the job really well in my opinion for going from black to white to color in an instant. It's incredible. Anyways, that is it for the neutral filters that I think are the main reason to upgrade. Okay, now it's refine hair time. I've found someone with a lot of hair. Boom, she has a lot of hair. Go to select her. This is also new, object selection tool. This is a really great thing in my opinion. Just select her and it automatically selects the person. You have to refine it a bit, but it does the job in my opinion. Go to select and mask and go to refine hair. You can see the hair is a bit dodgy at some points. Just go to select and mask. You see it's a bit dodgy. I've cut out not as good as I would like, and just click on refine hair. Boom. Okay, this is not as good, but you can see here on the bottom it did a really fantastic job in my opinion. Like, it has cut out the hair perfectly. Now the top has a bit of work, but the bottom is fantastic. Yeah, cut, remove her, and boom, you have cut out the hair. You're now professional, but not really. And the top is a bit fucked, but hey, don't go past. It's in a beta version. It's not really. That's the refined hair is not in beta. Anyways, that was my top 5 Photoshop updates. I hope I helped you in some way or another, or like showed you something new that you didn't know was possible. So also DM me your portfolio so I can make a video of it. Join my Discord. Anyways, see you guys in the next one, and peace.